If I use 150, I can achieve the taste. Why do I need 180 to give me so much problem? What is it that affecting you? Your temperature is minus 13. What you have to change in order to increase the temperature and reduce the sweetness? What is the thing that you have to take note? The first thing I will reduce, sugar, not dextrose. Because the total solid is high, we need the high anti-freezing power to make it softer. For me, if I see here the total solid is high, melting point is low, then after that I have a sugar very high, I will straight away reduce sugar. It will solve 3 problems at the same time. You must look at the whole balancing, not only one. You adjust one, the other will affect you. You adjust one, the other will change too. Once you settle this problem, you have to look at the rest, whether it changed or not. If it's changed, you need to balance it back. If I use 150, I can achieve the taste. Why do I need 180 to give me so much problem? This is where the point that you decide the flavor is enough for you and don't need to create more problem for you. This is more important. Now your recipe seems to be very balanced.